Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked chicken. So here I have some leg and thigh, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use. It already washes clean. I wash it in some lemon water. Okay, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of parsley, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili seed, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. But you can use whatever seasoning you have at home, okay? You don't have to use all the seasoning that I'm using. So this is how I'm gonna season my chicken. So first I'm just gonna add some olive oil all over on my chicken just to keep it nice and moist. It is totally optional, but this is something I've been doing for the past years. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt all over on my chicken. I'm not gonna add a lot of salt because you know these seasoning are already full of so much salt. You can just rub it on a bit. And the skin is still on my chicken. I'm not gonna remove it. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together like so. Make sure it is all combined. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on my chicken like so. This is just a simple recipe, guys. Simple dinner idea. You can cook for your family. Very simple. Make sure you rub on the seasoning properly. And I'm gonna even turn it over. Just flip it over. And you just want to continue with the same process. Just gonna flip them back over. So my chicken is nicely seasoned, guys, and you can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? But if you want, as I always said, you just cook it as it is, because it's still gonna be good. Yes. So here I have my baking tray, and I just place some foil paper on it. So now I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my baking tray, and I'm just gonna take my hand and just rub it all over. Then I'm gonna add my chicken, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 40 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. So in the oven it goes. So just after 40 minutes, that's how my chicken looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna base all that delicious juice, gravy, whatever you want to call it, all over on my chicken, okay? And I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 20 minutes, okay? Yes. Do you see how juicy that look? It look amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. And I'm also gonna add some dark soya sauce. Just gonna sprinkle it all over on your chicken like so. Just to give it some more color. Yeah. Just gonna give you guys an up close look. See how juicy it look? Yum, yum, yum. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and that's what it's look like. It's been cooking for 1 hour, okay, in total. Guys, I'm telling you, it looking so good. This recipe is a must try. Please share this video, guys, to all of your families, your friends, everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my channel. And guys, I taste some of my chicken and I'm telling you, it was so tasty. This recipe is super yummy. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.